Let me show you how this works in real life. We built SkyClaim as a simple, contactless way to get a drone inspection for your roof. The system pulls in artificial intelligence research storm reports, analyzes the damage, and then compiles everything into an insurance-ready report. That saves you time, stress, and money when you're dealing with your insurance company. Now here's the part where the digital avatar comes in. Instead of me having to stop everything I'm doing to answer every question live, I can just take a voicemail transcript, drop it into SkyClaim, and have my avatar respond with a personalized video. The avatar walks the homeowner through their own inspection report, explains the damage we found, and lays out the exact next steps. In this case, Susan called and left me a voicemail. I screenshotted the transcript, fed it into my avatar, and it generated a clear, personalized video response for her. That video answered her question, built trust, and helped us schedule her in-person inspection for this Friday at 2:30 in the afternoon. So instead of waiting on callbacks or getting lost in paperwork, homeowners get immediate, clear communication, and I get to stay focused on helping more people. That's SkyClaim in action, paired with an AI-powered digital avatar. Hello, Susan. This is your SkyClaim drone inspection report for your property at 2312 North Austin Avenue in Pearland, Texas. The inspection was done on September 3rd, 2025. Here's what we found when we flew the drone over your roof. The overall picture is clear. There is a lot of wind damage across the roof. We're seeing shingles that are lifted, curled, and creased, especially along the ridges and the edges. Some spots also show granule loss, which lines up with the way the wind hit the house. That means parts of the shingles have lost their protective layer. The ridge lines and roof edges are where the damage is most obvious. There are also missing shingles on the wind-facing sides. We noticed a blue tarp had been placed over a section. That looks like it was covering leaks around the solar panels. But above that tarp, there are a lot of creased and damaged shingles, so it's not just an isolated issue. Now here's the good news for you. The roof is older and brittle, and because of that, even if the insurance company tried to approve only a partial repair, it would likely end up being a full replacement. The reason is simple. Once a contractor starts trying to repair brittle shingles, they'll cause additional damage. That makes it unrepairable under industry standards. Our legal team has seen this before, and it puts you in a strong position to get a full roof replacement for just the cost of your deductible. Another benefit, we can document this damage from recent storms, even if they were not officially named storms. That matters because it means your deductible could be lower than if it were tied to a named storm. We'll walk you through that process step by step. At this point, the next best move is to schedule an in-person inspection. Remember, we originally came out because you had concerns about leaks near your solar panels. The drone shows wind creasing and damage in that same area, so we want to take a closer look from the ground and confirm exactly what's going on. Big picture, your roof shows enough damage that repairs are necessary, and all signs point toward a full replacement being the outcome. That's a positive sign for you because it means your home will be fully protected moving forward without you carrying the full financial burden.
This is Susan Cullen. I'm so sorry to get back to you so late, but the question I needed to ask was, you said I needed to have a close inspection, and I wondered if you meant by the insurance company or by you guys. So I really need to have that information so that I can pass it on to other people. Thank you. Oh, 713-501-3781.
Hi, Susan. Thanks for calling me back. To clear up your question, when I mentioned a closer inspection, I was talking about us arranging for our roofing company to come out in person. They'll walk the roof, mark the areas that show damage with chalk, and then sit down with you to go over everything. That way you'll have all the paperwork and photos ready for when you call your insurance agent. When you do make that call, we'll sit with you, so if the agent asks something specific like what damage was found, you'll already have that information on hand. From there, the insurance company will schedule their own inspection, and they actually prefer when the damage is already chalked because it makes their process easier and clearer.
Just Now Media. We are creativity. We are brand builders.